one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. The Lord says, I'm bringing you into a place of beauty. I'm bringing you into a time of refreshment. There's times when life feels almost like it's lost its colour. Everything feels black and white. It feels ordinary and mundane. It feels like there's nothing new. But I see a beautiful, beautiful flower. And the Lord says, I'm bringing beauty again. I'm renewing you. I'm filling you again and afresh with a glimpse of heaven, a glimpse of my glory, a glimpse of the beauty of who I am. For I'm bringing to birth my promises in your life. I'm bringing forth the beauty that I have prepared just for you. For I am the one who is the giver of every good and perfect gift. I am the one who has called and chosen you. Do not be afraid, but put your hope in me, put your trust in me. For I am the Lord who is with you. I'm right there by your side. I'm renewing you. I'm restoring you. I'm healing you. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.